Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete contacts on Snapchat. So first of all, just need to open your Snapchat app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the Bitmoji right there at the top left-hand corner. And then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right, and then scroll down and find the contact syncing. And basically you'll find it at the bottom right here. So click on that. You have two options: share contacts with Snapchat and see contacts share with Snapchat. So basically you just need to go to share contacts with Snapchat. Just need to toggle off this option to stop syncing your contacts with your Snapchat app. Now, basically, just need to tap on this confirm button right from here. So it will remove also all your previously synced contacts on Snapchat. And once you've done right here, you want to go and see contacts share with Snapchat. So basically, I don't have any recorded contacts here. And then you just have to tap on this remove sync contacts from Snapchat. So you can see delete contacts data. By selecting confirm, you will delete all contacts and no longer sync contacts with your Snapchat. So just tap on confirm button and it will delete all your contacts on Snapchat. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.